Ma'am, in the last class, did you take that thing?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Yes, Manu was
Good
saying what
afternoon, ma'am.
about the attendance?
Ma'am, did you take the attendance in the last class? No, right?
Yes, I
Taking
am
now.
checking everyone in the mind,
No.
and I am
In the
taking.
last class, did you take the attendance?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
I am checking all of you, and after the class, I am writing. Angelina was there in the last period. Angelina,
No, ma'am.
last period she was not there, so I didn't give her attendance. And
Ma'am,
last period, Alim was there. Alim Sian, no.
Angelina was there.
Last period.
Amanat was not there.
Last period.
Ma'am, I was there. Ma'am, no,
Okay,
I was not there, ma'am.
Huh?
I was not there.
Yes, Angelina, I didn't see there. Yes, Manu was there. Okay. Okay, children, now we were discussing question number 15. Yes? All of you, please take question number 15. And I gave you one homework. That is the number of boxes that can be bought. So I will write that question again. Because only the last step we were not able to write.
64 boxes.
64. Okay. Now it's very easy because all of you found out the answer. Now only you have to write the last step. But I will write the question number. Okay. Now I will write question number 15 again. 15A. Okay. All of you please take 1 minute. Let me. All of you, which page we are doing now? Page number 2. Part 2. Question number 15A. We have done 3 steps, I think. Now we are going to write the final step. So I will write all the steps again. If you have written first 3 steps, children, no need to write it again. Okay. So question number 15A, I'm writing from the beginning. 15A. So first we have done cost of 24 boxes. Cost of 24 boxes. That is given. Cost of 24 boxes given as rupees 480. Children, you have written these steps in the last period. No need to write it again. So cost of 24 boxes is given. Then what we have done? We found out cost of one box. Cost of one box. Yes, Manu, can you tell me the cost of one box? We have found out already, you know.
20.
Cost of one box, how we were doing? 480 divided by 24. So you know 48 divided by 24 is 2 and 0. So the answer is 20 rupees. Rupees 20. Now,
Okay.
usually we used to find out maybe for cost of many more boxes. For example, cost of 15 boxes, cost of 17 boxes. So we used to do multiplication. But here,
Yes.
the question is different. What is the question here? Amount is given. Amount.
Yes.
So children, this step we didn't write last class. So you can write it
Ma'am,
now.
but I wrote.
Amount. Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote the step.
You wrote the step. Okay. So check whether you have written correctly. Amount with which boxes to be bought.
Ma'am, I have written the number of boxes that can be bought.
That is the next step we are going to write. Okay. If you write this step, if you don't write also no problem. But the amount is given. So we are writing this step.
Okay.
This step is, if you don't write, no problem because it is given. Now, what is the next step? Number of boxes. That is the thing we have to find out. Number of
can be bought.
Boxes that can be bought with this amount. So if you write short also, no problem. Number of boxes that can be bought. That can be
64.
64. Very good. So what you have to do, children? You have to write the step. How you got 64? You have to write 1280 divided by one cost of one box. That is 20. So what's the answer? 64. 64. It is not rupees because the question is number of boxes. So we have found out number of boxes here. Number of boxes. See, children, last two steps only we have not written. You can write it now. Amount with which boxes to be bought. That is 1280. And number of boxes that we have to find out. Okay. So 64. The amount is given and you have to divide the given amount by the cost of one box. The cost of one box is what? 20. That we have found out. Now the number of boxes is 64. All of you got 64? Yes, children? In the last class, we were discussing this question. Only thing I told you to find out 1280 divided by 20. All of you got 64?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes,
question
ma'am.
number B is very easy. Question number B is very easy. Chris Jo, can you please, 1 minute. Chris Jo is going to read. Chris Jo, B. Question number B, 15B.
The total cost of 15 bags is rupees 555.
Okay.
What is the cost of 32 bags?
32 bags. So this is very easy. We have done like this only all the questions. So Chris Jo, what can we write the first step? What is given?
Cost of 15 bags.
Very good. First step is the information that is given. Cost of 15 bags. Okay. Then after that what we will do?
Cost of 1 bag.
Cost of 1 bag. How we'll get? The total rupees divided by the number of bag. So what is that answer? 555 divided by 15. That you have to find out.
27 rupees.
So now next, what we'll do?
Cost of 32
You have
bags.
to multiply the cost of 1 bag into
32 into
Okay.
27.
So children, I hope you have enough place. Make it, look at the lines and make it. We had to do 15A and B in the same that place is given. So here question number 15B. What is given? You have to write first. So cost of 15 bags given. Cost of 15 bags. That is given. Cost of 15 bags is rupees 555. 555. Now what we have to find out? Cost of 1 bag. Cost of 1 bag. So cost of 1 bag, we know how to find out the total amount divided by the number of bags. This is cost, so you have to find out the rupees, that amount, rupees. Anthony, finished? Did you get the answer?
Ma'am, I'm dividing. Ma'am, I'm dividing.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Find out and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, cost of 15 bags is given. That is 555. We had to find out cost of 1 bag. How you can find out? You had to divide. Okay, let me see who got the answer. How many got the answer? Yes, children. Yes, Ananda. What's the answer? 555 divided by 15.
37.
37. Is it correct, children? Yes? Okay. Ananda, you were there in the last period? Ananda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, here we got 555. If you have any doubt, children, we can check whether it is correct or wrong. 555 divided by 15. So 15 here. So 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Now 5 minus 5, 0. Here 5. Now another 12, this here 7. 7 into 5, 35. 3 is carry over. 7 into 1, 7 plus 3, 10. So the answer is correct. The cost of one bag. Cost of one bag is, what is cost of one bag? 37. Now our question is, find out cost of 32 bags. So we had to find out cost of 32 bags. The last step, cost of 32 bags. Cost of 32 bags means we had to multiply 32 by the cost of one bag. 32 multiplied by 37. And that much rupees. All of you find out. Dash rupees. Christopher finished? Did you find out the cost of 32 bags? Huh? Very happy. Richard, over 32 multiplied by 37?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
1,184 rupees.
Yes, 1,184. Okay. All the children, please check whether you got correct answer. This question is very easy. Cost of 15 bags is given 555. Now we are using this method, unitary method. In unitary method, next step, what we have to find out? Cost of one bag. Cost of one bag, how we will find out? The total amount 555 divided by 15. So you will get the cost of one bag, that is 37. Now the question is, we have to find out cost of 32 bags. So 32 multiplied the value of one bag, that is 37. 32 multiplied by 37, you will get the answer as 1,184. Children finished? Yes, children? All of you finished? How many finished? Raise your hand. Okay. Is there anyone have doubt in this unitary method? I think this is very easy. You have to find out the value of one bag. Then you have to multiply it by the number of bags. Then you will get it. Is there any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No. So question number
No, ma'am.
16. That is same as 15. Can you do? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can
Now
we do
Nandita
alone?
has to read question number.
Can we do
1
alone?
minute. Let me first. Now, Nandita, please unmute and read question number 16A. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
16A. 16A and 16B, they are different. So, children, what you have to do? You have to read the question carefully. Okay. The cost of
The cost of 36 apples is
rupees
the cost of 36 apple is rupees 1080.
80. Okay.
How many apples can be bought for
Rupees
1,000 rupees 1,400?
440. Okay. So here the question is not to find the total amount. The total amount is given at the end. So this is same as 15A. So what can be the first step, Nandita? What we have to can write? What is given? Cost of
Of cost of 36 apples apples.
Cost of 36 apples is given, that you had to write. Now, next step, what we had to do? Cost of second step, what we can write?
Cost of apples.
No, first we had to find out cost of one apple. Okay, till that step, everything is same. Cost of one apple. Okay, then you have to, the given amount is what? 1440. You have to divide that total amount by one cost of one apple. Okay, Agnes finished? Yes, okay, wait. Let all children complete. So question number 16A. What we have to do? What is given? We have to write cost of 36 apples. Cost of 36 apples given. That is rupees 1080. Now we have to find out cost of one apple. Cost of one apple is given. No, we had to find out. So what you had to do? The total amount of 36 apples divided by the number of apples. All of you find out. You had to find out 1080 divided by 36. Okay. Yes, Agni, what is the cost of one apple? Cost of one apple?
30.
30. Yes. How many got this 30 as the answer of one apple? Yes? Okay. So children, that answer is rupees 30. So here you can, children, 1080 you can multiply by 36. Then one more zero is there. That zero you can place. 36. So we can see 3 into 6, 8. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So this zero, if you bring down, that zero can be. So answer is correct, rupees 30. Now next, what is given? That amount is given. Now we have to find out the total number of apples that can be bought for rupees 1440. So amount with which apple are to be bought. Given.
Ma'am, we can write number of apples can be bought for rupees
Yes,
1,400.
that also we can write. Okay. So here what is given, I'm writing as the next step. This step is not compulsory, but I'm writing amount with which apple. Amount with which apples are to be brought. That amount is given. That is 1,440 rupees 1440. This information is given. If you don't write that, also no problem. But the next step is important. Number of apples, that is you have to find out. Number of apples. Number of apples that can be bought. For this amount. Okay, so children, you can 1440 divided by the number of 30. That is the cost of one apple. All of you find out alone. 1440 divided by 30. Wait. Let them find out. Otherwise, the children, they will just copy the answers. All the children, the total amount is given. That is 1440. And how many apples that can be bought using this money? How you can find out? Total amount divided by the cost of one apple. Cost of one apple we already found out here. What is that? 30. Fia, please divide 1440 divided by 30 and tell me the answer. Okay, Fia? You can cut this 0 and 0. Now 144 divided by 3, that you can do as mental division. 3. 14 divided by 3. So you can take 4. 4 into 3, that is 12. 24. Like it. What's the answer?
Ma'am,
Where is Fia? Yes, Fia? What's the answer?
48.
48. Okay. 48. So children, the answer is here 48. Children, is it correct? Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is here 48 apples. Don't write here rupees symbol because we are finding out the number of apples. Number of apples means here 48, the number. 48 apples we will get for rupees 1440. The question is how many apples you will get? What we have found out? 48 apples
48
can be
apples.
bought. Yes?
Yes.
Now, question number B, that we can do faster. All of you faster. Question number 16B. How many go finish that question? 16B. Many children have finished. Now others can do it faster. Question number 16B. Cost of 27 pairs is given. That is given, cost of 27 pairs is rupees 621. Rupees 621.
21.
Now, as usual, we will find out what? Cost of one.
1 pair.
Cost of one pair. 621 divided by 27.
27.
Don't say the answer, find out. Children, find out the answer. Rupees dash. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the cost of 35. Like this, 35 pairs we have to find out. Cost of 35 pairs. So that is 35 multiplied by the answer here. You have to find out rupees. All of you do it fast. Yes, Ayman, can you tell me the answer? 621 divided by 27.
Ma'am, I'm doing the steps.
That cost of one pair, not over.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm on the second step.
Do it fast.
Ma'am, for second step, we can write only the answer.
Second step, cost of one pair.
Yes. Is equal to the answer itself.
How you'll get, you have to show now. How you'll get 621 divided by 27?
Okay.
That step you have to write. 621 divided by 27. Amanat.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer? 621 divided by 27.
21 divided by
621 divided by 27. Did you get the answer? Cost of one pair.
Ma'am, I am dividing.
Yes, Anandesh, what's the answer? 621 divided by, I thought I will give you this as homework because this is very easy.
23.
23, yes. How many got 23? Yes, children? 621 divided by 27 is 23. Find out and do. Don't copy the answer. Okay. So rupees 23. Okay. Now here what you have to do? 35 multiplied by 23. Yes, Felix, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Yes or no?
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Yes, yes. Mm.
Can I tell?
Just wait. Dia, can you say the answer? Dia? 35 multiplied by 23? Yes? Wait. Dia? What's the answer? 35 multiplied by 23? Yes, Isha? It's not clear. Isha? What's the answer?
805.
Yes, very good. Rupees 805. Okay, children, please check whether you got this answer correct. So here cost of 27 pairs is given as 621 rupees. We had to find out the cost of 35 pairs. So first what we had to do, we had to find out cost of one pair. How we can make 621 divided by 27. You will get the answer as 23. So one pair cost 23 rupees. So how much for 35? You have to multiply 35 multiplied by 23. The answer is 805. I hope all of you have finished.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
not finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone not finished?
No, ma'am.
Check again fast. Okay, next one, Alok, can you read the next question? Question number 17. Louder, not able to hear.
So Kwinder get paid rupees 1,650 for 11 days of work.
Okay,
Zeenath get paid 1,400 for 7 days work.
work.
Who earns more money daily?
Okay, so how we can find out? We have to find out who is getting more money daily, Sukhvinder or Zeenath. How we can find out, Alok? Amount for 11 days for Sukhvinder is given. So from that information, what you can find out, Alok? From that information, what you can find out? Amount for 11 days is given. So next step, what we have to do? Amount for 1 day. Okay, amount he is getting for 1 day. So what we can do? The total amount divided by the number of working days. What is how many days he is working? Number 1,650 divided by 11. Understood? Like the same way, amount for Zeenath, how much is that?
1,400.
We had 1,400.
But that is only for 7 days. You have to see the number of days. For Sukhvinder, it is getting for 11 days. But for Zeenath, it is getting for 7 days. So how much Zeenath's daily earnings, how we can find out? 1,400 divided by 7. Now you have to find out who is getting more money. Okay, children, understood? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you do it fast. We have to finish this question now. So here, question number 17, all of you. Amount paid to Sukhvinder. Amount paid to Sukhvinder for 11 days. 11 days work, he is getting the amount 1,650. 1,650. So you have to find out for 1 day how much he is getting. So amount paid for
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I didn't write the for 11 days work.
So what you are writing?
Ma'am, I wrote only amount paid to Sukhvinder.
Okay. Amount paid for 1 day. Find out. Children, next period children, they started here. So children, do it fast. 1650 divided by 11. Find out. Okay. Next step is amount paid to Zenith. For 7 days work. For 7 days work. For 7 days, she's getting 1,400. Amount, now we have to find out amount for 1 day. Amount paid for 1 day. So 1400 divided by 7. So children, here amount paid to Sukhvinder for 11 days is given. You have to find out amount for 1 day. How will get 1,650 divided by 11. Find out the money and write here. Okay. Now next step is amount paid to Zenith for 7 days work, that is given as 1,400. Now what you have to do? Amount paid for 1 day. How you can find out? 1,400 divided. Now you have to find out which money is more and who is getting more money. That is homework. Okay. Children, if you want to see the step faster, you can do check again all the calculations. You can as homework. Okay. Amount paid to Sukhvinder for 11 days. You have to write. Then amount paid for 1 day, you have to find out. 1,650 divided by 11. Now write the next amount paid to Zenith for 7 days work, and amount paid for 1 day you have to find out, and find out who is getting more money. That is homework. Okay. So children, Monday evening I will send that link for one class test on chapter 6. Division. Can you study today, tomorrow, and
Ma'am,
Monday. Ma'am, Monday.
yes, Monday evening. Monday evening. One short class test on chapter.
Yes, ma'am. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
That time I will inform later.
Ma'am, 7 o'clock.
Children, 1 minute. Don't worry about the time. Don't worry about the time. 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, no problem. But what you have to worry about? You have to study chapter 6, that is division. Chapter 6 children, we have 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. So today you can study 6.1, tomorrow 6.2, day after tomorrow 6.3. After 3 days, be ready for one short test. Is it okay? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye children. Thank you.